Evening, guys. On my hamburger quest again. I'm up to hamburger number 11 and I'm going to a place called the Burger Lab just down in Parkdale. Apparently they do a pretty good burger. So let's check it out. Well, I'm here. Let's go check out the burger and see what it's like. Oh, no, you're fine. Thank you so much.
I haven't done my makeup in weeks.
Oh, you look gorgeous. Thank you for that.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye. Well, I got my burger. I can't eat in here, so I have to go home. Wow. Well, I got my burger. They weren't too keen on me filming in there, which is fair enough, you know, because it doesn't really reflect the real ambience of the place when you're in lockdown. It's you know, it's a bit of a downer, but you know, I got a burger from them. Let's try that out. So I got a ranch burger, I think it was, I can't remember. Had bacon in it. This comes in a nice little box, and wow, check that out. Yeah, it looks good. So let's get into it. Hey, look, it's nice and firm. It's not falling apart. Look at that. That's nice. That's a nice big patty on there. Look, it's a great burger. Cost me $15. Yeah. Everything's nice and fresh. There's a patty, bacon, a lettuce, some cheese on there. And it looks good and it tastes good. Yeah, it's yummy. You know what I've noticed about this burger? It's not running with sauce and stuff like that. A few other burgers have been, but this is nice. It's nice and firm, easy to eat. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so they weren't relatively busy. It's probably because of the bloody lockdown at the moment, which is killing a lot of businesses. But hey, I'm doing my bit to help. It's a nice big patty. I like this. I don't know what the cheese is. I think it's cottage cheese. But it's, yeah, it's really, really nice. Where does it rank? I'll tell you at the end. Not at the end of this clip, but I'm going to do about 20 burgers, I think. I think that would give me a fair idea of what's good and what's not. Or who makes the best. As you can see, it's going down extremely quickly. So it must be good. I'll leave a link for this joint. It's just in Parkdale, in Bayside. Check it out. It's nice. It's got a nice venue there with seats outside and seats inside. Obviously can't be used at the moment. But, you know, when things reopen, head down, check it out, give them some support. They need help. All businesses need help at the moment. I noticed one thing, and it's not runny. There's nothing, no liquid pouring out of it or anything like that. So, hey, it must be fresh ingredients there, you know. I don't know what it is, but it's great. It tastes good. That's the Burger Lab in Parkdale. Last bite. I enjoyed it. Would I come back? Yes, I would. Staff was nice. Yeah, come back. I would recommend the joint. done and dusted. Burger number 11. It was good. Where does it rank? You'll have to wait. Yeah, it's pretty good. Till next time, guys, stay safe, take care of each other, and please like and subscribe for future content. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for future content. Have a great day. Cheers.